This looks pretty sick. What's up, man? How you doing? How you doing? Good to see you. So how much is something like this?
That's like $230.
$230?
Yeah.
Perfect. And it comes with everything on here?
Comes with everything.
Awesome.
The whole kit.
And if they want something simple like this?
80 bucks.
80 bucks?
Yeah.
I like that design on there. Perfect. And then if they want like custom stuff, they can go to your website.
Absolutely.
Perfect. All right.
Yeah.
And then this is the new Pacific Coast building, right? They're going to find you out?
Yeah.
Perfect. Sounds good.
941.
Thank you.
Thank you, man.
What you guys got here?
Shower bullet jigs right here. Check this out.
Let's see. All right. Little spoon jigs. There we go. All reactive. Nice. Where are people throwing these at?
MDR off the docks.
Okay.
Definitely. If you want to give me a follow on
Definitely
Instagram.
will, yeah. Do you guys have any show specials right now?
Yeah, we do. We got 5 for 20 if you come on down.
5 for 20.
What's your name?
Ron from
Ron.
BT Society.
If they come say Ron, I'll give them 6 for 20.
All right, sounds good. And then what booth is this?
This is 904.
904, and this is like the new hall, right?
Yeah, the Pacific
8th one.
building. Yeah.
Perfect. Appreciate it. Good
Sal,
to meet
brother,
you.
nice
Thank
to
you.
meet
Sal, to
you.
meet you.
Sal.
Thank you.
Take care.
Appreciate it.
What's up, man?
How you doing?
Good, man. Welcome to the show.
Thank you. Thank you. I like that hat there.
Yeah. That's our captain's hat right there.
Alrighty. Very nice shirts. What do you got a show special this weekend, or what are you going
So
for?
we're running a show special, just doing a 25% off. Actually, we're running through the rest of the month as well. We're here.
It's called Honcho?
Honcho, yep.
Perfect. So you got the flags. Oh, I love that couch and shit like that. Perfect. Alrighty, you're gonna be here all weekend. What booth number is this?
Yeah, it's booth 400H.
400H, right?
Yep,
Thank you.
ask for Gax.
Appreciate it, thank you.
See ya.
These are new to me. Good yourself? So these look new to me. What are these things?
These are new. So, well, new for us. We haven't had them, so they're popular.
Do you know how they use them? Or use
Hey,
them?
you know, guys using them for everything.
Really? I have to look them up. Okay, thank you.
You know, it just looks like something moving and, you know, that like tentacles type of look. So they've been using freshwater and saltwater.
Okay. How's it going? You're good?
All right,
you guys used to sell like the eye jig that slides?
Yeah, we don't have them here.
No?
Not this year.
Not this year?
Completely sold out.
So completely sold out?
Yeah.
So what have been people you've been using them on, having success on?
Lincoln, rockfish,
Oh really?
all that stuff.
It'll get down there? Like what about?
Oh yeah, we have them up to 700 grams.
Oh, 700 grams. Okay.
Yeah.
What are you guys featuring for the show right now?
We have the tuna bombs on sale, so I'm doing 15 bucks for the 450s.
Okay.
And then 12 bucks for the 350s. And then the hooks are all like 10 bucks each. And I have $100 off on all the rods. So usually the rods are $369, they're $269 now. So on and so forth.
Perfect. All right. Thank you. See you. Thank you. Appreciate it.
That's a pretty cool program. Pick your patch, pick your blank. We'll press it out on the heat press for you.
Appreciate it.
Yeah, there you go, my friend. Sweet. Enjoy.
I think I like this brown one. I think I'm gonna go with this one right here.
Solid.
Got you covered.
Okay, nice.
I was just talking how I love my Brendan's waterproof backpack.
Awesome,
for like
man.
days like today, we have our equipment inside and we don't know if it's gonna rain.
It's supposed to rain this afternoon a little bit, right?
Yeah, we'll see. So these hats you're making out as supplies last for the rest of the show?
So we're doing the first 150 people each day of the show.
Okay,
they
first
can come
150.
by and get a free hat.
Okay, perfect.
Cool deal, man.
Yeah. All right, appreciate that. Thank you.
Absolutely.
Thank you. That's a new one.
What's your
guys' rod sleeves?
$10 on all the sleeves.
Pretty sick.
Can I get 3?
These things are cool.
It's all the same color, huh?
Yeah.
How's it going?
What's up, brother? How's it going?
You're good. Those are pretty nice. I like that. Sick.
Yeah, we just came out with those for the show.
And then, does it recommend it for any size rod or?
We have them currently at the show. We have them for on 6 foot. We're also going to start creating them an 8 foot for like the longer jig sticks and stuff.
Okay, perfect.
But they're all pretty versatile depending on the size of it. They also come with the Velcro strap down at the bottom, so you can secure it down at the bottom of the rod, lined with a woven liner on the inside as well.
Perfect. And $10 today at the show?
$10 just at the show.
All right, perfect. Any other new designs? I think I saw the Island of Cedros. So do you guys have that
Pura
last time?
Pesca, Pura Vida is new. Cedros Island design is new. The Pura Pesca and the Pemex design is new. Baja Blues are the new colorways. And these two down here as well.
Those are nice. How much are the shirts over here?
All shirts are going for $20. Hoodies are going for 40. Windbreakers for 30. Rod sleeves for 10 and hats for $20.
Perfect. Appreciate it. I'll see you right here at booth number.
I believe it's $4.99.
Perfect.
Hanger, far left corner.
Thank you. Appreciate it. Right here. Demonstration. Sorry about that. There we go.
That guy knows what he's doing. Take a picture of that.
That is a glass rod.
Stand and look at that arm.
One of my fishing buddies.
That's how you hold the rod. That's how you fish.
He used to fish with me a lot.
I'm sure you've done him that.
He had me. Yeah, I thought of it.
How come I don't see you fish like that, though?
What's up, man? Hey, how's it going, man? Good to see you.
Likewise.
Good. You gonna be out there for a Ventura trip, or
Yeah,
which ones are you doing?
Eldo. I'll be
Okay.
on the Eldo. Fury 2-day, and then I'm gonna do Rockfish Rumble, and we're already sold out 2 boats.
Oh wow.
So we only have California. We got 20 spots left, or sorry, 16 spots left.
Oh wow.
So it's gonna be good. That guy I was just talking to is with Okuma.
Okay.
Okuma's gonna be coming out
Nice.
with rods for everyone to be trying.
For that
Demo.
trip?
Yeah.
Oh,
We'll
perfect.
be giving away rods as well. So
All right.
It's a big deal.
Perfect. I'm gonna check that out.
See you around.
Them people. This is sick. I like that. Oh, that looks nice. Sick. Simple sweater. I just like the color on this sweater. Alligator on the front. Alrighty. These things seem to be what's going down. I might have to pick one up. Those are how have those halibut kits been working?
Working good, yeah. Yeah, halibut's strong right now.
Yeah, I would say on the cattle boats too, people are dropping those.
Not necessarily. It's more the private boaters, you know what I mean? Because they have more room to work with. You know what I mean? Most of the time, the guys on working drift rigs.
Drift rigs.
Yeah, drift rigs.
Okay, and that's with
The halibut trap rigs.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Whopper stoppers are here. These are the amazing little rods you can get. Whopper stoppers.
What you need to know, man?
Just showing the people.
Order of Whopper stoppers.
How you doing today?
I'm on this side of the dirt. Great show.
Great show so far. Yeah, a lot of people are here on a Thursday.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
Good turnout.
Yep. So you got the Whopper stoppers today, right?
Whopper stoppers.
Perfect. And then how much are they going for at the show?
Well, they start at about 2:30.
Okay.
Check it out.
Perfect. Mini ones. All the way these nice ones right here. Nice jig sticks. Perfect. We're at the PCS show.
All right.
Blue Wave Jewelry is here. That's where I got this beauty right here. Pretty nice. Come check them out. the coffee grinder. Here with the Tatty Lures book, the coloring book, and then the surface irons. We're going. And they got the Lucky Davids here. So come check them out. Very nice. Quiet carry here. Saw the last time.
How we doing today?
Good to see you. How's it
We're
going?
doing $50 off of our G10 burnt variants over here. And we're doing $30 off of everything else, and 50 off fixed blades, 50 off G10 variants, and 30 off of our premium titanium and carbon fiber inlays and stuff like that.
Nice. Do they come with sheaths on the fixed ones?
Yes, they do. Yeah, we've got a choice of on some of these, choice of Kydex or leather. And yeah, so all fixed blades will come with the sheath.
Okay, perfect. Thank you. Appreciate it. Here's some cameras here. Alrighty. So it looks like Berkeley here is doing free braid when you purchase a reel, $50 or more. There's that special I was telling you about earlier. Come check them out. I heard we got a new product as well. Perfect. How's it going? How you doing?
How's it going, brother?
Perfect.
Woo.
So we got something bugging?
Got something's bugging now.
There you go.
Don't let it be you.
Don't let it be you. And then as always, we got 2 cents of something fishy.
Got something's fishy times 2 right there. We got the upgraded stainless steel fillet knife. So this is 316 and J2. So and it comes with a genuine camel leather sheath. Doing these for $200, $175 for any one of you guys.
Perfect. There we go. Thank you. Appreciate it.
Got you, brother.
What booth are we at right now?
We're at 818.
818. Perfect. We'll see you out there.
Then we even got the new product, Colder Ice. So if you guys ever want to get your ice colder down to about 10 degrees, so it'll last longer and use less of it. This ice comes straight out of the ocean. So it's not like Morton's table salt or anything like that.
Okay. So a little more potent.
Well, it's also the same pH and everything for all your fish.
Okay.
So when you put it in your flow bags,
okay,
it's like the ocean water coming in.
The pH level is perfect.
Exactly.
Alrighty. Perfect. Thank you.
Got you.
See you out there.
You know it.
Thank you.
Silver, and the money clip is silver also.
Okay.
So it's a little more. So like this one here I can do for under 100, and this one here is like 175.
175. Okay. Is that the only style or fish you have right now?
Well, I have some more of these in the shop, and I'm going there tomorrow. So if you want me to put another fish on it, I could do that tomorrow morning before the show.
Yeah, I'll think about that. I like that one already. That one's beautiful.
Thanks.
Appreciate it. And then I'll be back. And then you said the cufflinks you can do as well for me. I got some sheephead stones, or not sheep. Yeah, the white sea bass stones.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good. I've never done. I've done a lot of sea bass stones, but I've never done them in cufflinks. So that would be pretty cool to do the first time.
All right, I got your info. I'll be in touch. Thank you. Thank you.
How are you doing today, sir?
Good, yourself?
I'm doing good. Have you ever seen line cutters before?
I have the zipper, but I haven't seen these yet.
So typical. Your white blade that's in there?
Yeah.
That same technology.
Different versions.
We put it into a pair of pliers. So it's a pair of aluminum pliers that won't rust on you with stainless steel nippers so that the teeth won't wear out. And then we put that blade there in the handle. They won't rust, won't dull. Go ahead and give me some fingers like that. And just pinch under the tip. Just pinch under the tip there and hold on to it.
Our best sellers are micro.
So this is 65-pound braid. You can see it right there. I can take that braid.
belt, but what are these going for? All of our traditional styles.
And I mean, you can't even barely feel the pull.
So it's
So that blade, like I said, it'll never rust.
and then we
it'll
got
never
pliers.
dull.
That's our newest
The only way
product.
that I've ever made these blades go out is by chipping them. Like because you can actually get with the gap there, you can literally get the eye of a jig head into the gap there, and you can cut the knot off of your hook.
Okay.
And so the only way that I've ever done that is I really literally ran the metal into the blade and chipped it. That was the only way I never missed it. But these will never dull on you. They'll never rust. They're the best and last pair of pliers you'll ever have to get.
Very nice. How much are they going for right now?
50.
50, and then for the ones with the leather sheets?
150. So these are down in West Columbia, where we're from, where our store is.
Yeah.
We got a local guy to actually hand make leather sheets for us.
Yeah.
And so those are the ones.
I like the texture on it too, right
Yeah,
there.
they're really cool. And so they're numbered. So this is we're doing limited runs of these.
Oh wow. Okay. So
We have red, white, and blue ones. They sold out in a day.
Wow.
Yeah, people have been loving these things.
So these ones are
50.
50 and then 150.
And then 150, but these also come with the rubber sheet. So it's the leather and the rubber sheet. So this is for like if you want to look fancy or something.
Yeah.
You're going to do a good dinner party. You can put your leather sheet on.
And then you still got the originals out
We
here.
still have the originals. So these are 12 for 1, 2 for 20, and then these are 17 for 1 and 2 for 30.
All right, perfect. And then what booth are we at right now?
We're at the line cutters booth.
Perfect. I gotta see you guys next time. Thank you so much.
Sir,
Appreciate
absolutely.
it.
Thank you.
All right, Hands on Deck is here. Still got the new patches. Love the colors on that shirt. How's it going? How's it going? Good to see you. Perfect. Love the new shirts, man. Colors are looking great.
Thanks, thank you. Yeah,
Central Company one. Hands on Deck in that nice blue. With the tank tops. And then they got this black, gold, blue color. Looking sick. There we go.
20,000 a day.
How you guys doing? We're gonna get a specials for this weekend. Check them out. Hey man, good to see you. How you been?
Good to see you
You
again.
too.
How you been?
Nice, been good. Been good.
Check it out.
I like these new shirts that you got.
So this is our new series. We just actually launched it today.
Oh,
So
really?
we're going to be doing these based on, customer reviews and seeing, how it works in the market. Once we'll do that, we'll get it on the website and start selling that way too.
Good.
So we're going to do a series of all angry fish. Angry bluefin, angry dorado, so on and
It's
so
gonna work
forth.
out.
And we're going to do like different designs within it and start doing them that way as well.
Perfect. And of course you got the catch system here too.
Yes, sir.
It's stocked
Catch
up
hook
on.
keeper.
Perfect. We'll see you at the show. What booth is this?
306.
306. Come check them out.
Thanks,
Thank you.
guys.
Appreciate it.
World's biggest lemon spins right there. No.
Yeah, I say. Really pretty awesome.
Big cod getters right there.
Jeez. 32 ounces the biggest.
32, 20, and then 24.
Perfect. How much are these ones going for?
$20. They're all going for 20.
20? Perfect. Huge.
Short special, 4 for 25.
4 for 25?
Yes. Great trout, catfish. We also have a basket.
Oh, very nice. And then there's this one like a mixture?
It's a mixture of all the, it's a pro bag.
Pro bag. Perfect.
Same price, same price.
Alrighty. Very nice. Appreciate it. Thank you. What booth is this you guys going to be at?
Right on.
Right on.
312.
312? Perfect. Thank you. I'll be back. Thank you. Dark Seas Division. I got a pen last time. I don't know what I used it for though.